And we've got an assembled engine, or more or less. My work here is done.
Just quick and easy stuff.
Hey, Ev. I think you got fuel leak.
I don't know how you did it.
No, we don't ask those questions.
Exactly.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to DC MotorWerks. This is episode 5 of the Victoria's Secret Diablo. Evan is hard at work, and we've got an assembled engine, or more or less. There's a couple things left to put on here, the accessories and so forth, but more or less it is assembled. The new head studs torqued very happily. We've got some footage of that we'll throw in here real quick. Seems wet. Oh, is it following me? This f***ing thing. My work here is done.
Ooh, thank you, Daddy.
Oh God, it followed me all the way around. That's f***ing creepy. So sorry we weren't more detailed on that process, but because of that time crunch that Ed so lovingly dropped on us in the last video, that we decided to just put the camera down for a minute and get after it. So it is currently Thursday, and I think the car needs to leave the end of next week. So things are looking good. We're on a good time frame, and so Evan is finishing up a couple things on the body of the car. He put a set of new engine mounts in it, and he's working on the not so fun to do fuel filters up there on the hidden behind the coolant reservoir. They're not fun to get to, but on Diablos they're really not fun to get to. And
That fuel?
That is fuel.
While you're in there.
You know, while you're in there, you just have to take apart the expansion tank, replace some hoses, disconnect the line over there, some solenoids and roof drains. So, you know, just quick and easy stuff.
Yeah. At least it doesn't stink. It smells
No.
like fresh gas, you know.
Yeah, fresh gas doesn't stink at all.
So there we are. He's doing the body stuff so that we can get the engine ready to put back in. We'll have to get it set back up on our gantry and put the transmission and everything back on. But stay tuned. All right, it is time. Let's go ahead and get some oil pressure, and then we'll do its first fire. Hey, Ev. I think you got fuel leak. Looked like the rail. It sounded funny, and I kind of saw spraying. Yeah, it's not threaded on all the way on that side. Take two. Pop them all in. Did you check your dipstick?
Roll down.
I was gonna say we could see if it dropped. Oh, it's dry right there.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
You grab crank position sensor.
Yeah. So the deadline was real, and we did it.
I don't know how you did it.
No, we don't ask those questions.
Exactly. I certainly don't know how you went from where it was 30 hours ago to where it was last night in time for me to take it for its rebuilt title inspection. So this car had a salvage title from an accident back in 2006. And when it sold the most recent time in 2011 at a Mecum auction in Indianapolis, they were still allowing people to sell cars through Mecum auctions on open salvage titles. So we were full of reassignments, went through the whole titling process. Many thanks to Arnie Toman of Cannonball Garage for making that happen. But now I'm gonna show up in Monterey a few days from now, after this car gets shipped across the country, with a real rebuilt title, a real license plate, driving legally.
Like I said, when you have the only one, it doesn't have to be perfect, right?
It is much, much more perfect than it had any business becoming in the time allowed or than I was expecting. But it is going on a truck thanks to Blue Star Transport with some very good company, 2 Chiron Super Sports worth $5 or $6 million each, a Zweck Speed Yellow 996 GT2, tons of great stuff, off to Monterey where it's going to be exhibited at the Paddock event and Concorso Italiano. So if you're out there, come see us. They're going to be doing Radwood as part of the Paddock. And if anybody can beat me at Radwood in a Victoria's Secret 1998 Lamborghini, I invite you to try. Wow.
You're just gonna get some hate mail.
Why is that?
We didn't get to film a lot of the final steps because we were just hustling to get it done.
So there's going to be a bit of a few hours later.
Yeah, a little bit of that.
That's it. It came together. But man, we had quite the punch list yesterday, and you knocked it out.
It was a little nerve-wracking, but
I got both headlights, I've got turn signals, I've got airbags, I've got gasoline in it.
no warning lights, right?
No warning lights, no check.
For now.
We have not had a single check engine light since you put that engine back in.
Really? Well,
That is unbelievable. So it couldn't have gone any better. And if you are looking for some work on any kind of car, especially a vintage Lamborghini, you're gonna go get in line at DC MotorWerks.
right behind Ed.
That's right, always behind me.
Now I gotta talk to him about the bill. Well, it looks like I'm gonna be able to sleep tonight. It is on the truck, and Ed's taillight warranty is about to be up. So we'll see you all in Monterey. If you're coming, we're all gonna be there. Ed, Andy, and I will both be there as well. And make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and we'll look forward to seeing you very soon.